the funniest dogs on the internet.
Everybody was going for fighting. What?
And you go. Oops.
Oh.
Jameson.
Scout, you better move.
Riding around the block with a Glock. Yo ass finna get shot. That's the silencer. That's the grenade launcher. I'm finna kill you. Man! He broke the TV!
He does have tremendous confidence, but he's also based on wonderful.
No!
Oh shit.
Makes the big palm tree. It's gonna be awesome. Can't wait. Just don't even your house, right?
But then it also quickly melted. A live look outside right now where we do have some cloud cover. Even
It's one of those animals.
Think I've ever come across such mischievous
This box better than the box he was held in. I'm Mama D in the outer.
No, don't touch.
There she goes. Punk. She's dead.
Are you dead?
Can we do your nails? Ellie, we need to do them.
What will it be, Mr. Bond?
We just gonna. It's okay. It's okay. What you doing? Wanna go down? Can you go downstairs? Hey! Little short dick man. Don't want.
Hit it.
I'll show you the lambada.
My happy guy. Oh, just a happy guy.
These days, these nights, I'm changing my mind.
Come on, inside.
Hey!